Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to cut or create threads on a taper surface in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
So let's start. First of all, we have to click on this button and start a new part. Now from left side click on this front plane and then select sketch. Now draw a line and start it from origin. Now define it by using smart dimensions. This height is 50 millimeter. This length is 75 millimeter and this height is 5 millimeter. Our sketch is now fully defined, so go to Features tab and select Revolved Boss Base command and identify this line as pattern axis or axis of revolution. Then press OK button to apply this command. Now the next step is to click on this face and then select sketch. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard. Then go to sketch tab and select circle. Start it from origin and define its diameter, which is 10 millimeter. Now go to Features tab and click on this curves button here and then select helix and spiral. Click on this option variable pitch and here you can see a table. H is height, P is pitch, this is revolution and this is diameter. So at the height of 0 millimeter, pitch is also 0. Revolutions are also 0 and the diameter is 10 millimeter. And at the height of 100 millimeter, pitch is 75 and the diameter is 100 millimeter. Instead of 100 millimeter height, type here 75 millimeter height. Now press OK button to create this helix. Now we need one more plane. So for that click on this button in the Features tab, Reference Geometry and then select plane. Select this helix as first reference and then this point as second reference. So our sketch is now fully defined. Press OK button to create it. Now click on this new plane 1 and then sketch on it. In the left side again right click on this plane and hide it. Now press Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard for normal to and draw a sketch for your threads. Press escape button, select both of these lines and make their relation perpendicular. Now select both of these lines and make their relation parallel. After that, press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select this line and then this line. Make their relation parallel. Now define it by using smart dimensions. The height from this line to this line is 3 millimeter. This length is 15 millimeter. Press escape button and then select this point and this line. Make their relation coincident. Now define again. Distance between this line and this line is 1 millimeter. Now our sketch is fully defined, so go to Features tab and select Swept Cut command. At the moment this command is turned off, so for that click on this button to save and exit from Sketch. Now click on the Swept Cut command. Here it will ask us about two things. First the profile and the second is path. So this rectangle is our profile and this helix is our path. Now drop down these options and scroll down. Now drop down these options and select Specify Direction Vector. Click on this box and then select this face. Now press OK button to apply this command. Now click on this helix and then hide it. Now change the color of thread. Press OK button and now change the color of this face. Press OK button. So this is how we have to create the threads on a taper surface. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.